From individual soybeans to crystal clear soybean oil, refining is the most vital step. Today we will tour the refining workshop of a modern soybean oil factory built by Huatai Group. Oil refining includes phosphoric acid treatment, alkali neutralization, washing and purification, vacuum drying, decolorization, deacidification, and deodorization. Refined oil is then pumped through sealed pipelines into finished oil tanks. These tanks connect to the filling workshop. Our fully automated smart line controls every step precisely, bolting and sealing oil systematically for treatment to silence. Fully refined soybean oil is clear and free of impurities, with longer shelf life and guaranteed edible oil safety and quality. The whole production line operates automatically under an intelligent central control system with stable, high-efficiency, standardized management. Huatai Group is a professional contractor for full-set modern soybean oil production lines. You are welcome to come for site visits and business discussions. For premium, complete grain and oil processing equipment, trust Huatai Group.